Hey guys, welcome to a new video here on NailPossible. In this tutorial, we're gonna make some really easy glittery hearts that are perfect for Valentine's Day. We're going to start applying a base coat. And as a base color, I'm going to use this dark bluish purple. We clean up the cuticles. And now we're going to use some electrical tape. You can use any other kind of tape, but I prefer this kind. We fold it in half and we're gonna draw half of a heart right in the fold. You can draw different sizes if you want. And then we're gonna cut them very carefully to create a stencil. If you have a heart-shaped punch, you can use that as well. But this is a good alternative if you don't have one. We unfold the tape, and we have our heart. The one at the bottom is a little too large for my nails, so I'm going to use a little bit of tape to cover it because I won't be using it. Electrical tape is very sticky, so I'm going to remove some of that stickiness by sticking the tape on the back of my hand a few times. We place the heart where we want it. We make sure it's really stuck on the nail. We're going to rip a small piece of a disposable makeup sponge and we're going to use it to dab glitter polish like this one. Remember that the polish underneath needs to be completely dry or it could come off when you lift the tape. Once the heart is completely saturated with glitter, we remove the tape. And we do the same thing on all the other nails. If you want, you can use different hearts, but I'm going to use the same one on all of my nails. You can leave your design like this, but I'm going to add a few heart-shaped studs. I'm adding a little bit of top coat so it has something to stick to, and then we place it. Finally, we add a top coat to protect our design. And we're done with our glittery hearts. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!